I selected this coconut oil. This is the organic fractionized coconut oil. I'm going to pop it on the screen for better viewing, but you can buy it on there. This is a very good one. And like sometimes, like when it's cold outside, fractionated coconut oils might be the great thing to go, especially if you're someone that you use it and you go out, you don't want beads of coconut stuck in your hair, like when you go outside, coconut solidifies under a particular degree. So let's see what this is. This is the Revair Naturals organic fractionated coconut oil. It is 100% pure and fragrance free. You can use it for your skin. You can use it for your hair, for shiny hair. You can use it for clarifying, like a carrier oil. That's what I meant to say. So you can use it as a carrier oil for massage and things of that sort. So you can use this, and it has multiple properties. Oh, it's amazing. Multiple properties, such as you can use it for as a cuticle oil, to moisturize your nails, and it absorbs, is non-greasy. So you see, this is why I like fractionated oil. So fractionated coconut oil, they stay liquid at any temperature. I think I'm going to do a video on my YouTube channel about that. And a little bit goes a long way versus oils that are not fractionated. So this kind of oils, if you're going to do like I do a whole bunch of recipes. I do a lot of DIY. I made this mango butter, mango oil and mango butter, and I didn't use fractionated oil. So what's happening now with my mango oil is a lot of time my mango oil, I have to melt it down. Ooh, every time I need to use it, I need to like sit it in a bowl of water, and I don't like doing that. So instead of using coconut oil, you want to use fractionated oils. Fractionated oils are amazing. You can use them in any temperature whatsoever. So if you're gonna do soaps, as people can make body soap and stuff, and it's like liquid soap, you don't want to use coconut oil. You want to use fractionated coconut oil. So that is the key thing about fractionated oil. The difference between fractionated oil and the coconut oil that you find everywhere is that fractionated oil does not solidify. However, coconut oil, it will solidify at a particular degrees. I can't remember what it is, but at a particular degrees, it will solidify. The second thing is that fractionated oil or fractionated coconut oil, you can use a little bit at a time, whereas the other one you have to use a lot at a time. And so so sometimes recipes call for regular coconut oil, especially when I'm making a butter where I want it to be more waxy, versus when I'm making like a liquid concoction, and I'm living in a cold area, it's cold in the house, I want to use fractionated oil. So that is just the key difference about coconut and fractionated oil. So I hope that little tidbit helps you guys out.